Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Impromptu vlog, so don't judge me. I don't have any makeup on. Let me read this for you before I start. An article from Reuters News about Neuralink, which is a baby project of Elon Musk. I love this guy. Let me just get that straight. I love this guy. I love his technology. I love his cars. I love his SpaceX. I love where he's going. But Neuralink, guys, I'm wondering, is this the mark of the beast? Because I know how stupid humans are, will it be the mark of the beast? So let's get into this. This is from the 26th of May. It says, Elon Musk, Neuralink, wins FDA approval for human study of brain implants. It goes on to say, Elon Musk Neuralink received U.S. and Food and Drug Administration clearance for its first in-human clinical trial, a critical milestone for the brain implant startup as it faces probes over its handling of animal implants. The FDA approval represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people, Neuralink said in a tweet on Thursday. Let me just say, Neuralink, the premise of the technology is brilliant. It is there to help people with neurological problems, paralytics, people that can't move, people that have neurological issues that are not in control of their own body. Their premise is to implant a chip in their brain, and this chip will somehow make them be able to do normal things like me and you. Go to their website, and I'll link it below. It's called Neuralink. Their mission states they want to create a generalized brain interface to restore autonomy to those with unmet medical needs, which I think is a great thing. We'll discuss that in the vlog. But my concern is this part, and unlock human potential tomorrow. That is my concern. And I really want to get into that part. That is where my issue lies, because how far can we go with this technology? And the Bible talks about the mark of the beast. And will this technology be the mark of the beast? Because think about it. If you implant a chip in your brain that can help you in certain aspects of your life, for example, I've always in my life had a problem learning French. If I can implant this Neuralink chip in my brain that can help me to master the French language, actually, it's something I'm thinking, and I don't think I'm a stupid human being, but it's something I'm thinking, that might not be a bad idea. Or if you're having problems finishing your college or mastering a certain subject, that you can download all this information. If this is possible, what is this life? What is humanity heading towards? We're heading towards fake people that you encounter. Say, for example, I encounter another French man and I can, spit out a French conversation, but without my Neuralink, I would be incapable of doing so. What does that say about the human experience? If you can graduate from college or university because you implanted a Neuralink that helps you to master these subjects, what does that say about your human experience? That you go on to do an interview, to get a job, to secure that job, to do that job in a company, but at a certain point you can't afford the uploads to continue to master that talent that you downloaded. What is humanity going to look like? Is this the ultimate mark of the beast, that who can afford to upload new information and who can afford to implant that Neuralink to advance themselves, to step up their game in humanity? What will that look like? Guys, imagine FDA has approved Elon Musk and Neuralink for human trials. Who will benefit from this? Will there be a separation of humans that can afford this, that can afford these implants, that can afford these upgrades, that can afford to advance themselves in their human experience, and others that will be left behind. Is this the mark of the beast, guys? This is scary stuff. This is scary stuff that we have to pay attention to. And trust me, when this goes public, when this company goes public, I've already been on their website to see how to invest, because I know this will be $1 trillion company, because I know how stupid people are. I know that people will jump on this bandwagon. I know that people will want to implement this, will want to get this chip. That's how humans are, and there will be billions of them that can afford it and can do it. And I know this company will succeed. Far be it from me trying to make a profit on human stupidity, because that's the way I understand humans to be. That's the way I understand investments. That's the way I understand capitalism. But what will it mean to us as humanity? How will this separate us? How will this divide us? How will this push us forward? There are things that I think about that, wow, maybe I might consider it. You know, there are things that, like I said, the French language, I've tried to master this my whole entire life. Always remember that humans always go for the easy way out. Nobody wants to work really hard for what they want. So if you can implant a chip that's going to help you master mathematics and master physics and master a language, or help you to understand how to do your best at interviews, or whatever the case may be, humans always looking for the easy way out. They never want to work hard for what is necessary. They're always looking for shortcuts. So that is my experience with humans, and this technology brings it home. If it's a technology that will make things more easy for humans to achieve their goals, why won't they do it? If they can afford it, take that implant. I mean, we all took the jab for no good reason. This is a good reason, this Neuralink. You have to think on Bible terms. Is this the mark of the beast? And will we all be partaking in it in some way? Or will we understand that we have to stay away from this because we have been warned for decennia to avoid this, to be wary of this? I'm blown away. I'm blown away that the FDA approved this. And it's great that they approve it, because honestly, when you think about young babies and young children that have that little device in the back of their ear that can help them hear because they were deaf, you know, that implant, you know, you've seen a lot of chips implanted that really change people's life. I'm sure all of you've seen that, little children with a little chip in the back of the ear that helps them to hear, or some eye operation that helps people to see. It is an amazing technology. So imagine that chip implanted in your brain that can help you to, because you're paralyzed or you had a neurological problem, that helps you to function like everybody else. So it is an amazing technology. So guys, I'm really curious what you think. Please leave your comments below. Engage with me in this conversation. I'm blown away. I'm blown away.